So, the crypto world is changing. No, the crypto world has already changed. Blockchain solutions occupy more than 1% of the global economy. Venture capital investment in traditional projects is being replaced by investment in ICOs. Decentralization is no longer a philosophy. It is an answer to real economic problems. And so, quite frankly, the blockchain projects need to grow up as well. They need to deliver real value across 3 set criteria. They must have an underlying market, they must have a real business model, and they must have innovative technology. Their market must have a real problem they can solve. It must be large and accessible. The business model must respond to how the project is aiming to make money and how it will distribute the money that it makes. And finally, innovative technology can serve as the basis of a sustainable competitive advantage. So today, I'm here to tell you about BGX, a project where I'm a proud co-founder and which answers all 3 of those criteria. BGX is a financial platform for the mobile games industry. You can think of us in 2 ways. One, we are an alternative app store to Google Play and the Apple App Store. And 2, we are a payment processing mechanism behind that. Now, some of you are not players, and I understand that. But the underlying market will reach 60 billion revenues by 2020. It is composed of game studios, 80% of which go broke within the first 2 years of operations because Google Play, Apple, and other large companies charge them upwards to 30% of their revenues. And they have no choice because otherwise they will not reach 2 billion global players, a number that is increasing every second. Finally, this market has businesses, ad networks, social media, messengers, which are suffering from the lack of privacy and security. BGX is going to change all that. Through the blockchain technology, we are eliminating intermediaries. And because of that, we can charge game studios 10%, not 30%. Instead, we offer them more monetization channels, tournaments, streaming, and others, integration of the crypto economy, be that Ether or Bitcoin payments, and greater access to players. We have a 2-token stablecoin system. One is the BGX token that we'll be selling during the ICO, which is focused for high growth and with which we share 60% of the profits made on the platform. Another is a BGT stablecoin that will be used on the platform to give consumers stability and is pegged to a stable USD value. Finally, we are delivering financial capabilities. Not only are players capable of now paying with crypto, either Bitcoin or anything else, they can change currencies, gems, whatever they buy game to game, and also have access to overdraft and other monetization functions. Finally, let's talk about technology. Now, some of you may be familiar with project management, which says traditionally that the scope, the schedule, and the budget must be balanced in some way, and some things have to be sacrificed. An ideal balance cannot be achieved. There is a model in crypto that's developing right now, which says that decentralization, high speed, and low transaction cost cannot all go together. So we at BGX decided to find a solution to that conundrum and focus on the high speed and low transaction cost. Why? Because the project is for a 2 billion player market that has lots of microtransactions. At the same time, we don't want to be a corporation that's focused on purely profit, so we must maintain some level of decentralization. That is why we're developing a hybrid model between a public blockchain, which is Ethereum, that can process 100 transactions per second, and our own private blockchain built on federative consensus, which can process 100,000, which brings it much closer to a system like Visa, rather than Ethereum. Now, I must conclude my pitch, but we are at booth 108, and we'd love to speak with you longer. Our ICO is on May 22nd. We are having a private sale right now, and also a pre-sale on May 7th for 1 week, where we offer 30% off. Please visit us at our booth 108 or on our website at BGX.ai. Thank you.